Organization Navada. Our project was managing COVID-19 crisis and how we have responded to this crisis in Navada district. So in the first wave, you can say during the March time, we have worked on the pre-lockdown preparedness. So on that, we have worked on the district level workshop with the different officers, engagement with different stakeholders. We have done a review meeting with the videos and with concerns and video field level monitoring. So we can see we have video conference with the block level officers during the review. It's because it's before 20th March 2020. So it's a pre-lockdown preparedness. So we have done the necessary arrangements and COVID-related precautionary measures across the district. And in during this meeting, we have done the COVID-related workshop, and as well as we have announced the district COVID control room uh, and COVID helpline number announcement. Number had been provided to the all officers, video level, block level officers. Next, we have also have the video conferencing on COVID-related initiative and the ground challenges, what a strategy that we can adopt. So we will talk on the strategy later on. First, I'm taking care of the preparedness that we have done during our first wave. In the first wave from the March to 2020. So in that intervention, we have done some of the IC related activities like the how the COVID uh, the awareness on of the people and the officers on about the COVID, how this is all about, this disease is all about. So we have also taken care of the review of all the law and order related situations with all the concerned officers. Then we have done the different engagement with the stakeholders, like we have a meeting with the IMA, Indian Medical Association, to involve the private doctors into this operation, how we can going to manage these COVID related cases. So also we have interaction with the Transport Association, where we have asked the representatives to take care of the sanitization of the whole vehicles that has been coming and going to the public places. Also, we have interaction with the various religious leaders so that they can uh, give awareness to their community, and they can avoid any mass gathering in future. So also we have done the VC at the block level officers with MIC, with BPM block level project manager, with district hospitals. Also, we have assigned different field level functionaries who will campaign, door to door campaign by this about the this COVID, and also take care of any symptomatic cases if it's going there or not. So we have done the daily meeting with the Mukhya and Sarpanch on this. At the same time, we have done some of the field inspection by the DM sir on like we have taken care of the how the health facilities is there in jail. So we have inspected, we have installed cameras there. We have done some COVID-related ISC pamphlets circulated there, instructed to the so all these interventions at the field level we have done. So let's have a look on the how we have effort in managing the during the lockdown phase. What we have done in managing COVID. So we have constituted committee, medical preparedness is there. We have set up quarantine center. We have ensured lockdown district. Also, we have uh, done the district border management because the Nawada is it's border area of the Jharkhand. So so if situated, if the migrant will come, so if migrant will enter in the Bihar, they will come directly from the Nawada district. So it's a very you can say a strategic location for whole Bihar. So we have to manage the migrant quite well there. So we have constituted a district border management committee there. So we have also we have created a cell for the confirmed case management. So we have also created a Hunar Ki Khoj for the migrant workers. Also, we have set up some of the community kitchen with the initiative Food for All. Also, we have done the public awareness and the innovation on some like we have done on application development that we'll discuss later on. So at the district level, we have constituted 14 dedicated cells to monitor each of the case divisions separately, and we have created an emergency cell to coordinate with the all these cells, uh, the committee that has been created here. So we have done the progress review of the cells on the regular basis. Also, a review of all the overall strategy and field challenges has been done time to time with the all concerned officers. So in the medical level preparedness, we have done the mock drill. At the initial stage, we have done the mock drill with the whole each PSC. In each PSC, we have done the mock drill with the health facilities about the how we can manage the COVID cases in future. So uh, we have taken a lot on the we can say training part of the health facilities workers. So we have set up two NEAT machines at the district hospital. So also we have able to provide a ICU fitted ambulance in the case emergency cases. Also, we have able to create a quarantine cells in each block. We have 14 blocks, so in each block we have created 100 bed quarantine cells. So we can put the migrant or any there for the initial quarantine center. So in the quarantine center, we have done the plantation drive and the job. We have issued the job card uh, for the migrant workers. So these are the certain glimpses. Next, to ensure the lockdown, uh, we have deployed the police and the public announcement in each block, timing and essential time purchase of how like the we have announced the people in each block the essential time purchase is from 7 to 11. So we have done this in the awareness level. Also, extracurricular activities like mehndi competition has been among public. We have taken care through through Facebook or many other social platforms. Also, we have Rangoli competition on COVID awareness among the people during the lockdown period.
You have 3 more minutes, please.
So we have also food security, food, community kitchen for the whole the migrants that we that are coming in the district. So we have done the necessary arrangement for the food and accommodation of the migrants. So next, this is next. Uh, uh, Next, district we have confirmed case management. Can you go to Hunar Ki Khoj 18 number slide? Hello. Next. Yeah. Next. Yeah, we have initiated Hunar Ki Khoj here. We launched this. We have profiled the migrant and assessed the migrant on the basis of their skills. So we have able to provide so that we can able to provide the skills for that migrant here. So also we have reduced job card with the magnet job card under Narega to each quarantine center. Next, in managing COVID overall status, we have implemented three strategies. Next slide. Next. In managing COVID overall status, we have implemented three strategies: tracking, testing, and treating. So in tracking, we have launched here Go Corona app. So this with the objective, we have assigned the ward level team the monitoring the task to monitor the cases, the symptomatic cases that is coming there, uh, and then tracking the each of the symptomatic personnel, and we have assigned the block level functionaries for that, and we have assigned the team to take care of every if any cases is coming. So, so we can also have an referral to quarantine isolation center provision for that. So this app has been launched. Later on, this app has been taken by the Bihar government uh, uh, in the name of Chachu app. So this has been replicated by the Bihar government later on. So right now we have total district community health center, 3 community health centers, district. We have 1 district COVID care center, and total number of beds ready to move in condition is 235. We have 125 oxygen jumbo cylinders, and we have 187 B-type oxygen cylinders. Total beds with the oxygen pipeline, we have able to create 85, and total number of beds with the oxygen cylinder, we have been able to provide 70 beds with the oxygen cylinder. So we are lacking in ICU beds. Also, we have functional ventilators, 3 functional ventilators. So overall, in testing, we can say we have total collected 76 lakh sample collected, out of which 8,100 positive cases came. Uh, Total active case right now, as of 11th of May, is 1,000 cases is active, and we have able to recovered 7,081 cases. So death, unfortunately, the death was 55 days in this district on COVID, and total containment zone is 354. So out of total population, we can say the positivity rate in is 0.37%. But out of total sample collected, we can say the positivity rate is only 1.84% in here in Nawada district. So and recovery rate is 86.88. So this is the total test has been done through RT-PCR, TrueNet, antigen. So this is from 1st April to 30th April. So we can see the graph is going up in the positive case. Total number of total number of tests has been done. So we are regularly taking a quite number of tests here in from the 1st April. So this is from 1st May to 10th May. So total we have increased our testing capacity quite far from for the last few days in this month. So we can see the number of positive case trend.
Please
So from the 1st April to 30th April.
Your time is up.
Yeah, this last slide. Okay, we can see the first and 30th April, from the 1st to 30th April, we have increased the number of positive cases. So later on, we have able to check this. Now the rate has gone down from, we can see that from the last 10 days, the rate has gone down. The number of positive cases is from 189 to 99. It came to 199. So thank you.
Okay, thank you. First thing I would like to know is, because we have taken number of presentations on COVID-19 management by different districts. One or two things which you would like to highlight as something special with Nevada, which you have done, which you think other districts can follow. If you can just tell us that, we'll be happy to note that.
See, in Nevada, at the initial time, we have on the tracking part, we have done a lot of work. So we have created within the first 7 days of the lockdown period, we have been able to create the this Go Corona app. So we were able to track the uh, positive cases or symptomatic, the people coming from outside. We were able to create the database of the that persons who are coming to Nevada district. So from the first, we can say in the first 7 days, we have able to create this app. Later on, this app has been taken by the Bihar government, and this has been
Yeah, this
named as.
you have told already. Anything else? This you have told already. Anything else you would like to highlight?
And Also, we have created a 100-bed capacity of this COVID care center. Uh,
Mm. Oh, this.
Also, we have able to provide the oxygen,
Yeah,
sufficient amount
just
of
tell
oxygen
me, please.
cylinder to the district hospital.
Okay, okay. So I would
Also,
request you.
one more thing that I'm missing. Uh, we are the first district that has been created at, uh, to test the positive cases through X-ray machines. Uh, later, initially that was had already done through the RT-PCR, TrueNet or antigen, but the burden was quite a lot on this uh, in sampling cases, in taking a sample and taking the positive cases. So we have implemented this X-ray machines testing, how we can analyze the positive cases, and this has been appreciated by the Bihar government, and this has been taken in different districts as well.
Okay, can you
So
just share where your district stands in terms of positivity rate vis-a-vis other districts of the state?
uh, ranking wise, I am not able to uh, say this, but it's still the positivity rate is quite low. It's 1.8%. In other states, it's been more than 5%, and other districts, it's been more than 5%, 6% is coming. So,
Average for the state, if you have any data available, you can tell me.
uh, no, I don't think I don't
Okay.
have such
Tell
data.
me, are you satisfied with the infrastructure which you have created, or there is still so many because
Uh,
telling that
so
these
far,
many beds we have does not mean anything unless we really say is it
yeah,
meeting the requirement and are people able to get the beds, the, ICU and all that, oxygen. These are the requirements.
yeah, we are in sufficient number in oxygen cylinder in Jumbo. We have different. We have able to create the oxygen bed capacity, which is sufficient for the people here in Nevada. Uh, so
Okay,
we are not lacking in oxygen cylinder and Jumbo cylinder because of initial
okay. Thank you very much.
initial interventions that.
Thank you.
Sir, I would like to know how you are taking care of the number of COVID cases in villages. Is there what is the system in place to check their COVID positivity and also the statistics of the patient? How many of them are sick? Because in Bihar, particularly Nevada, also I understand that a large number of migrant workers have moved to their native places. So how you are taking care of the rural areas?
Yeah, in each rural areas we have PSCs. So we have we have assigned the mukhias and the field level functionaries. So we have a regular interaction with the mukhias, whoever coming from outside. So we able to track them, and we able to. So we have ASA's workers. So we have assigned the ASA worker to track any symptomatic cases is coming from outside or not. So this is the way we have able to track the people coming from outside. Any positive cases is coming from outside, and later on we have created the containment zone, the procedure that we followed in every district. Uh,
And what is the system of their testing?
this is through RT-PCR, through TrueNet, through antigen as well. Also, if the people are not getting any positive, so we also suggest them for X-ray machines. Through X-ray, we can go for. If they are symptomatic and they are not coming in RT-PCR and TrueNet, so we suggest them to go for the X-ray. So we have installed 4 extra machines in different district community health center here.
But for X-ray machines for the whole district, I don't think it is a convenient
Yeah,
method to any patient. Firstly,
this is
he
another
himself.
method.
Yes, yes.
This is another substitute for the to reduce the burden of to RT-PCR and TrueNet antigen testing. Also, if there are cases where people are not coming positive in RT-PCR through TrueNet, there were certain cases. So to reduce to take care of that, we have assigned this X-ray machine testing as well here in Nevada.
Are you having sufficient number of beds and are you able to hospitalize the patients? Is there any concern or this is
No, no.
you have
The
enough
bed,
capacity?
yeah, we have able to create the enough capacity as for the population and the people possibility people are being positive cases. So so far as there is no reduction in number, there are as far as the bed capacity is there.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, please.